there, code enthusiasts. Welcome back to another coding adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of health metrics with a Python script that calculates your body mass index, or BMI. Let's break down this code line by line and see how it works its magic. So grab your favorite coding snack and let's get started. Diff calculate underscore BMI weight height defines a function to calculate BMI given weight and height. BMI equals weight height to calculates BMI using the standard formula. Return BMI returns the calculated BMI value. Diff get underscore BMI underscore category BMI defines a function to determine BMI category based on BMI value. If else block categorizes BMI as underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. Return category returns the determined BMI category. Diff BMI underscore calculator defines the main function for user interaction. Input statements get users' weight and height. BMI equals calculate underscore BMI weight. Height calculates BMI using the defined function. Category equals get underscore BMI underscore category BMI determines BMI category. Print statements display BMI and category. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore ensures the script runs directly. BMI underscore calculator calls the main function to start the program. And there you have it. We've successfully broken down a BMI calculator code line by line. Remember, understanding the logic behind each line is crucial for effective coding. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding!